Hey everyone, welcome back to my class. I want to make sure that today you know how to use an Ender 3 Pro with this USB drive. So I'm going to assume you know how to use a USB drive. Yeah. And these are the Ender 3 Pros we're going to be using. So we have one working right now. Very nice. A little sus, but let's move on. Somebody made a wagon here. Awesome. We're going to be using this machine. No one's using it right now, so in the back of this USB drive, there is a micro SD card. I believe that's what it's called. And off camera, I'm going to take it out. I'm just going to pull it out, and I want you to see something. Right here is the name, right? This right here is the important part, because that part right there, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let me move it so that you can. That metal part is going to be facing up when you put it into the machine. So let's go ahead and let me show you where this entrance is. It's right there. And let's see if I can do this. Yep, I can, but my hand is in the way. Sorry about that. Let me go from this angle right there. So I'm going to push it in right there. Now, over here, it says card inserted. So let me click on this. I'm going to push the button. And what do I want to do? Do I want to prepare, control, print? Before I print, I'm going to check one thing. I want to make sure this bed moves smoothly forward and back. And the reason I say that is because usually somebody will take this off like they're supposed to, but they'll put it in backwards or crooked, and it'll get stuck right here and it won't get past this area. So I just want to move it back and forth. Okay, that works. Now, here, it went back to the main menu, so I'm going to click. And I'm going to turn the knob to print from TF. Now, I have all these people's previous recordings here. Oh, I really like Flex Factory. I'll print that one. Now, pay attention. Right here is the temperature. It says Pro 25. That is the temperature of the nozzle under here. Right now it's 25. The other number right here where it says 29, that's the temperature of the bed. These printers will heat up here and here, whereas my other ones don't. So when you're looking at this and you're like, Mr. Amparo, this is not printing, that's because this one needs to get to 200 usually, and this one to 60. Now, for some reason, it's not going to 200 yet. I'm not sure why, but it does say that the bed is heating first. Oh, I remember now. It's going to heat this one, and as soon as it reaches 60, it'll start going to this one. Now, I don't expect you to do this, but it might be necessary. These knobs under here will move the bed up. Just right there. Will move the bed up if you turn it clockwise. You see which way I'm going? We'll move the bed up if you go that way. If you turn it the other way, counterclockwise, so if I turn it like this, it'll move the bed down. And the reason that's important is because when this is printing, sometimes you'll see that it's not actually sticking to the bed. That is because this bed is maybe not be level. I know it's a little advanced, but we'll get there. Let's look over here. It's at 53, almost at 60. And you'll see once it reaches 60, the other side will start moving up. In fact, it's already moving up a little bit now. It's at 26. And if you can just remember those steps, you guys are good to go using my printers. I'm just gonna stay here till another 2 more degrees just so you can see. And I wish you could tell, but it's warm. It's not hot, it's just warm. Okay, now it reached 60. Now the other side should be getting hotter, and there it is. You see how it activated? Good. Now, whenever you're printing on these machines, I expect you to be here until it prints at least one layer to make sure it's actually sticking on the bed. Because if that first layer doesn't stick, the whole thing is gonna break, not gonna print. Good luck. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like to my videos and all that junk. Yeah, do that. Okay, bye.